This video is about how to arrange your swim goggle straps so that they are not only comfortable but will actually assist in keeping water out. The best type of goggle straps are split straps. The best placement of your split swim goggle straps is on either side the occipital bone. Let me show you the occipital bone. This is the bone at the base of your skull. You can feel it if you put your hand behind your head. It's the only thing protruding as you run your hand up from your spine. With these views from behind and to the side, you can see more easily how the split strap should be fitting. The goggles are designed with the split strap or double strap specifically to maximize the suction on the eyepieces, allowing for optimum seal. Some swimmers are happy to wear both the splits of the strap above the occipital bone like this, but it does not maximize the suction on the eyepieces, allowing for optimum seal. Wearing both of the splits of the strap below the occipital bone is the worst option and a very common reason why swimmers, particularly children, complain about their goggles leaking. A good seal comes from the placement of your swimming goggles straps on either side of the occipital bone.